Hello and welcome back to my channel, PR the Explorer. He is an Indian born top American executive. He's a person who says, deal with failures optimistically, work with people smarter than you. As per Britannica, he was reportedly pursued by microblogging service Twitter in 2011, and in 2014 he was touted as a possible CEO for Microsoft. He also featured in the Time magazine's 100 Most Influential People in 2016 and 2020. In December 2019, he was named CEO of Alphabet Incorporations, making him the Chief Executive Officer of both Google and Alphabet. Yes, we are talking about none other than Mr. Sundar Pichai, an Indian-born top American business executive. But first, let's look at the humble background Sundar Pichai came from and what struggle he incurred to reach the position he currently is in. Pichai was born in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. His mother, Lakshmi, was a stenographer and his father, Raghunatha Pichai, was an electrical engineer at GEC, the British conglomerate. His father also had a manufacturing plant that produced electrical components. Pichai grew up in a two-room apartment in Ashok Nagar, Chennai, and had a Hindu upbringing. Pichai completed schooling in Jawahar Vidyalaya, a central board of secondary education school in Ashok Nagar, Chennai, and completed the class 12th from Vanavani School at IIT Madras. He earned his degree from IIT Khagarpur in metallurgical engineering and is a distinguished alumnus from that institution. He holds an MS from Stanford University in materials science and engineering and an MBA from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, where he was named a Siebel Scholar and a Palmer Scholar respectively. While no one can deny that success comes easily to those who are born with a silver spoon, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, has weaved a different story of success that has nothing to do with a wealthy background or a legacy of familial riches. Here are some of the things about Sundar Pichai reflect how his success was purely based on his dedication and determination, rather than any family wealth or empire. Born in a middle-class family, Sundar Pichai, during his youth, had to live with his parents and two brothers in a two-room apartment. Due to lack of space, Pichai and his brothers had to sleep on the floor of the living room. Pichai's father was the only earning member in the house, as his mother had to leave her job to look after him and his brothers. Due to his father's insufficient income, they could not make much of their ends meet and could never afford luxurious items like phones or refrigerators. Like the plight of every low-income resident of India, even Sundar Pichai and his family suffered the tides of time and experienced a major drought that took a toll on them. Finally, having completed his studies in India, he acquired a Stanford scholarship, United States of America. While the cost of the airfare was more than his father's annual income, his father took a loan and gave up every penny of their family savings to buy his son's air tickets. Probably, it was also the first time ever Pichai sat in an airplane. In the United States of America, Pichai had a hard time living through expenses and meeting his ends. He even had a tough time reaching out to his parents, as the phone calls cost over $2 per minute, which he could not afford. While life was hard, Pichai overcame all the hardships and lived through all these experiences only to accomplish his own dreams. Pichai joined Google in 2004, where he led the product management and innovation efforts for a suite of Google's client software. He was appointed to the Alphabet Board of Directors in 2017. Sundar Pichai's brilliant response to a tricky interview questions at Google. In the fourth round of the interview in 2004, Sundar Pichai was asked what his thought of Gmail was. The trick was that Google had launched the email service the very same day, on April 1st, 2004, and there was no fair way any of the shortlisted applicants would have known about it. The interviewer asked, "Have you seen Gmail?" And Pichai answered no. He admitted that he didn't know what it was. The interviewer did not eliminate him, as many of us would think. Instead, the interviewer showed Gmail to him and explained what the product was. It helped Sundar Pichai understand the product, and in his fifth interview, when he was asked about the email service again, Pichai not only told the interviewer about his opinion of the product, but also shared his thoughts on how it could be also improved, and the rest is history. Great leaders do not have to have all the answers or all the time. They need the courage to understand and admit that they don't know it all. In December 2020, Pichai delivered a speech virtually at the Singapore FinTech Festival, emphasizing inclusive digital economy. Pichai said at the conclusion of his speech, "Our goal for the post-pandemic world is to ensure the benefits of technology can be shared as widely and equitably as possible. If we can do that, 2020 will be remembered not as the end of the world, but the beginning of a world that works better for everyone." Labeled as one of the world's most reputable CEOs by Forbes in 2018, while no one would have imagined a young Indian American man who had left for the USA at the age of 20 to pursue his dreams would one day become the CEO of one of the largest tech companies in the world, Sundar Pichai, even with his modest upbringing, broke all those stereotypes and limitations and finally achieved what he aimed to. What Sundar Pichai did was not only awe-inspiring, but it also gives hope and aspirations to people who have big dreams but do not have the means to achieve them. He proved to the world that it is not the monetary riches that makes a person who he or she is, but rather the hard-working spirit and the willingness to achieve their dreams. That's it for today. Zoom in next time for more fun facts. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a thumbs up, share my videos and comment down below. What are the new fun facts that you learned after watching this video?